Okay, magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. As been inquired by the media, the commission this morning, nakatanggap kami ng sulat galing kay Congressman Sandro Marcos expressing his willingness to appear before the ICI and to share whatever information he has with regard to the ongoing investigation of the commission on the anomalous flood control projects. So I would like to confirm that, and we will have the commission, because right now naghihiring sila. They would have to convene and decide on when the congressman will be available or for a hearing.
Live stream natin siya, sir.
Well, right now, if you read the request of Congressman Sandro Marcos, it was not stated there. So based on our rules, unless there's a formal request for an executive session, the default will be live stream.
Sir, aside from his confirmation that he's willing, what will be the basis for the ICI to conduct the hearing?
Well, as I said, ang commission naman ay bukas sa any information, especially here na merong pupunta, regardless of who that person is, will voluntarily appear and testify under oath, ay malaking bagay sa amin.
But it doesn't mean, sir, na it's Zaldico's video statements is materializing for ICI to probe further investigation.
I cannot speculate on that. What we have right now is a letter coming from the congressman and his willingness to assist the commission in our investigation. So we take that as an opportunity for us to gather more information.
Schedule na ba,
Last
sir?
na to, I need to go up.
Sir, can we say at this point that we are invited? Wala pang decision.
We are.
Invited. The ICI is invited. Can we say that now?
We take note of his willingness on his willingness to appear voluntarily before the commission, and we will wait for the commission to eventually set the date on when he will become.
Sir, bro, so